Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abhor. 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 Abhor is a verb that means to regard with extreme disgust, hatred, or intense dislike. It indicates a strong feeling of repulsion or aversion towards something or someone. Examples: 1. She abhors cruelty to animals and is actively involved in animal welfare campaigns. In this sentence, abhors is used to express her strong aversion and disgust toward cruelty to animals. 2. He abhorred the idea of discrimination and worked tirelessly for equal rights. Here, abhorred describes his intense dislike for discrimination and his commitment to achieving equal rights. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.